Kelken anchoring products were used in the foundation retrofit of a historic fire tower on Mount Arab, located in the town of Piercefield, New York, in the northern part of the Adirondack Mountain range. The concrete footings were crumbling apart from exposure to harsh outdoor conditions and a continuous freeze-thaw cycle. The original anchor bolts did their job for almost 100 years in extreme conditions, but replacement was timely based on their deteriorated condition. The old footings were completely removed and new anchors were set into the hard gneiss rock that makes up the mountain. Ease of use and superior strength made Kelken's Keligrout the perfect product to permanently secure the stainless steel anchor bolts to the mountain. The anchoring of the tower legs was completed in 2 steps. The new plate with tower attachment was first anchored into the mountain. The tower leg is then bolted to the plate. Stainless steel reinforcing mesh is used to give the concrete footing additional strength. A foundation form is constructed to contain the concrete pour. David grinds off the rough edges of the cured concrete. The completed footing should give the tower another 100 years of solid support and public enjoyment. David Vana specializes in the retrofitting and repurposing of fire towers. The restoration of the tower enables future generations to appreciate the splendor of the Adirondack region. Public access to views like this are made possible by environmental groups such as the Friends of Mount Arab, whom coordinated the tower restoration. Call or visit us online. Kelken Construction Systems, for all of your chemical anchoring needs.